so today we are back with some more Jurassic World, the game. There, we're back, and this is episode 6. Actually, it's episode 4, I think, yeah. No, it's episode 5. I'm pretty sure it's episode 5. Well, yeah, here we are. We got Mr. Go On Along ready. Yeah. Okay, that was weird. It's a glitch. No, I'm not gonna put you there. You're not gonna be lonely. You have to be there with your friends. You don't want to be lonely, don't you, Mr. Go On Along? Yeah, that's right. Eat some food. Come on, eat up. Oh, look at him eat. Yum, 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 yum. Look at him. Wait, is that a Jurassic Park Jeep over there? Yeah. And a pack, DNA, coins, DNA, and a security office. All right. Oh, no, fine. I'll get it. I'll not get it. I'll not get it. I'm sorry. I just can't resist it. I can't resist it, but I have to. Oh, yeah, Jesus. I should put another dino. Yeah, we have Mr. Trophagantus over there. Put you in there. Alright. Place a new hatched creature. Okay. Already did that. Alright, what's another one? Connect two buildings with a road. Already did that. Okay. Park, congrats is going as a plan, and your loyalty is flawless. We're sure to get good review from the journalists. Level 9. Oh yeah. A mystery cat. DNA, cat, DNA. Alright, and some more. Oh, dude, we have cards? $100 for that shit? I'll do that later, when the video's over. Okay, complete battle stage 7, I already did that. Oh, what? Propagandas is free. Get out. Okay, here we have him. Mr. Trophagantus. Let's feed you up, huh? Let's level you up. Speed up for free. Come on. There we go. Level 11, here we are. Or should I say level 20? Yum, yum, yum. Here it goes. Eating. Give me that. Okay. What do you have? Have a ankle for a bonus of 4? A bonus of 4. What the freak? Bonus of 4. That's a bonus of 1. But if I put it here, Mr. Go On Along goes here. I know that still gives him bonus. So if I put you here either, it'll be. Oh, that's a 2. So we need to buy it. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah. Dude, what the freak? There we go. Alright. Now Mr. Go On Along goes back to his friends. And you go back there. And you will be over here. Actually, let's put you here and you here. There we go. Nice. What do we have here? Oh, you guys. Alright. Dr. Wu has been reviewing different fossils. Speechmans, why does that make me think more creatures are on the way? I have 12 creatures. I already have that much? Complete one battle with 2 carnivores in your team? Okay. Bring the fountains over here. They look perfect. Amongst all the Drenars have 2 fountains. I already have that. Okay. Look at this coins. Okay. We have 2 hours left for that pack? Okay, we can do that. And you know what we do here when there's a pack to do. Alright, let's go to well, okay. First, we're gonna go for the heal. Alright, so we need water creature versus you. We need another water creature? Damn, son. I guess you're the closest. I think I should feed him more. He needs more feeding. He needs more leveling up. So, evolve him. There we go. Lemnoscalus is here. Whoa, he just leveled me up to 10. Okay. A mystery pack, DNA, cash, food, coins. Alright. And 15 loyalty points. No, thank you. I am not buying that. Ooh, okay. Oh, so I have that badge. Oh! Congratulations. I want these. I want it. I want to put it like over there. I could put it over here, but no, I want to put it like over. Okay, wait. Damn, this game is glitching. I want to put it over here, but no. I'll put you over here. Let's put you back over here, and you back over here, and you back. Okay. And let's go to the battle. Wait, did we already feed him? Nope. Alright, he can be to level 18. That's the highest he can go. No, not Teal, damn it! Over here. So I need you and you. And then you. Let's battle and win. Okay. So here we go. Oh, why do I have a fast mode? No, get fast mode out. Alright, so oh, suspicious, huh? 2 blocks. Okay. Goes for attack. 1 attack, huh? So you have 1 block. 120. Did I have to go 4 to kill you? Bro, this is stupid. Just get out of here. Damn, son. Alright, now we have Otoraptor 11. Okay, Otoraptor level 11. Oh, he swaps to Traffigantus level 15. Okay. So we're playing smart here. Okay. Goes for 2 blocks. He has 4. What would he do? Chipper? Okay. Creeper? Okay. Goes for 6 and 4 blocks. 2 attacks. Kills him. Wow. Okay. Okay. So 104, huh? Takes a lot to kill you, I'm gonna say. Okay. Raptor. So the Raptor comes on. What are you gonna do, huh? That's what I thought. Goes for 7 attacks. 2 blocks. Oh, a super move. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Victory's ours. Oh, my Lemno Skeleton did a super move. It was crazy. Okay, so we got some DNA. More DNA. Time for battle stage. Oh, we're gonna go for him, and him. Let's start this match up. Also, there was a mission complete. Make a battle for 2 carnivores. Yeah, I'll do that. Just wait. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a reverse. He has 2. He slips to the Raptor. Alright, goes for 1. So we're playing smart here. Yes, I got it. Well, here comes Mr. Majangasaur. Okay. What would he do? Goes for 2? What the freak? Bro, are you serious right now? What the fuck? Excuse me? Did he just die for 2? That was unexpected. Yeah, Tropiganthus killer the raptor. Here comes Lemnoskeles. Okay, so he swaps it all. Okay. So he swaps. 4 versus 2 blocks. He has 1 block. So he has 5 now. What would he do? Oh, risking it, risking it. 2 blocks. Oh yeah, 7. What would he do? What will he do? What will he do? Dude, can you do something, please? What the fuck? You serious right now? Okay, so we were here. I press continue. Oh, he goes for 7. Oh, we're seeing a super move. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. Damn. Propaganda goes down. There comes Mr. Triceratops. We have an 8, 121. Kills him with 2. Damn. And then we go for 2 blocks. There we go. Boom. Son. Alright. So, what's good here is he cannot kill us with 2. So if he goes for 4, we'll be alive. Which he doesn't. We have 8, so we'll just full on attack him. Here we go. There's a super move. Oh yeah. Oh, boom. Lemnoskeles is down. There we go. Another victory for Triceratops. Awesome. It's us. Do we have the DNA? We unlocked Tropicanthus. Hatch him. Yes. But you know what time is right now? I'll do that after. But you know what time it is? What the freak? Another. Okay, I'll do that in the next episode. It's montage time.
Poi c'è cosa, non è congelata in Dio lì. C'è fa momenti, sure. Prima
Montage's over. We got it. We finished it. Let's see what we got. And we got a Tajangasaurus. Awesome. So yeah. Mission completed. I did it with 2 carnivores. Episode whatever. There we go, guys. I hope you liked the